Hello everyone, I am Harender Singh and you are watching Mysterious Fitness. In this video, we are going to talk about jumping jacks and most importantly, how to perform them correctly. So you can include this move in your warm-up routine or in your conditioning workout. This move can easily help you to bring up your body temperature and to get your body properly warmed up. So to start this, you first need to stand in a hip width stance. After standing in a hip width stance, you need to bring your palms close to your thighs. This will be your starting position. Standing in an upright position, your chest should be up, palms close to your thighs and standing in a hip width stance. Now to start this move, you need to jump to your sides, jumping wide on your toes and simultaneously bringing your arms over your head, touching your palms together at the top. And make sure that your arms are straight throughout the move so that your shoulder can go through full range of motion and gets warmed up properly. And after that, you need to jump in back to the starting position where your feet were closed, standing in a hip stance, palms close to your thighs, chest up. And always keep your whole body tight so that you can prevent any kind of injuries and keep your body in your control. Alright everyone, I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, eat healthy and train smartly.